Feel how smooth that is, Walter.
It is nice. I don't even feel the road.
You will in a second.
What's happening?
Is this your first car chase? That reaction screams first car chase.
Lance?
Don't worry, we can outrun it. Just giving it a head start.
What?
Audi functions on demand. Book performance package.
Power boost online.
Oh, look, the metro! I'll just take the metro.
Now you're thinking.
No, you know that's not what I meant. Well, at least there's no more hazards.
Hazard detected.
Walter, I'm gonna ask you not to scream.
No screaming. No screaming.
Recalculating route.
No screaming!
Audi AI active.
You okay?
Are you kidding? Whew. That was awesome! Are all your spy missions like this?
Missions? Nah, man, this is just my lunch break. Speaking of, what you hungry for?
Look at me, Lance! I'm living my best life!
Yeah, I see that. Just tell me when to turn off autopilot.